Hey, what's up guys, it's redmountainking back with another video, and today I am going to be recording with every single camera I have, starting from the least expensive to the most expensive camera. Right now I am recording with my brand new iPhone 14 camera. It is really good, really high quality, really good for probably movies, honestly. This is almost better than my Canon camera, but you'll see that last. Okay guys, right now I'm recording with the Sony Cyber-shot. This is a really old camera. This one came out in 2007. This camera only has 7.5 megapixels, which is terrible footage. As you can see, it looks grainy, noisy. It's just all around bad. But when it was brand new coming right out of the shelf, that was $150. Okay guys, right now I'm recording with the GoPro Hero 5 Black. This is a really nice camera actually. It has motion stabilization. It has full 4K video resolution, 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second. This is a really nice camera for how old it is. This came out in like 2014 and it is still kicking. This camera, compared to my GoPro Hero 9, which is about to come up next, is actually like side by side. You can tell a little difference, but it's not by much. Okay guys, right now I'm recording with the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is actually one of my newer cameras. I got it last year. This is a really nice camera. It's good for shooting at night, good for shooting at day. It has amazing motion stabilization. It has the 2.0 motion stabilization. It is fantastic. Video, 4K resolution like always. It autocorrects color, so it is easier for me to edit. It is a lot better, just better. It is a little bit better than a GoPro Hero 5, but honestly, not too much. It is just perfect though. Okay guys, this is actually the next day. I have to re-record the Canon EOS Rebel T100 because the color correction was terrible. It was just super like blue. It made the wood look terrible out at the park. It was just all around a bad video. I just had to retake it. But right now, as you guys heard, I'm actually recording with the Canon Rebel T100. It records in 4K 60 frames per second, but right now I have it at 4K 30 frames per second. It's a really nice camera overall, good for photos, videos, and it's all around good camera, just very expensive. This cost me $500, but hopefully you guys like it. But enough ranting, that's gonna be the end of this video guys. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.